I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable staking on your Coinbase wallet, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Open Coinbase Wallet. Launch the Coinbase Wallet app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once inside the app, tap on the Settings icon, usually located in the bottom right corner. This is where you can manage your wallet preferences. Step 3. Select Staking Options. In the Settings menu, look for the Staking option. This section allows you to enable or disable staking features for your assets. Step 4. Choose your assets. After enabling staking, select the cryptocurrencies you want to stake. Not all assets may be eligible, so check the list carefully. Step 5. Confirm and start staking. Finally, confirm your selections and start staking. You should see a confirmation message indicating that staking is now active for your chosen assets. Remember, some assets may require a minimum balance for staking, so keep an eye on that. Happy staking!